Welcome back, guys, and today is a special day because you know that server I made totally stinks, only fits 2 people. But I found out that there's multiple servers in Lifeboat, and I'll leave the server IPs in the description. And Dave is here with me just to prove that it works.
Hey.
And we're gonna play some Hunger Games. Come on, Dave, let's play some Hunger Games.
No, I want to go to the... Follow me.
Okay. Oh man, hey, I fell.
Oh, you fell?
I fell. Okay, I'm back. I'm back up.
Here.
Come on, let's go.
Ooh, I can fly.
Wait
Because
for
I'm
me.
a VIP.
Wait for me.
I'm a VIP, I can fly.
Wait for me.
Oh.
Something's happening.
Okay, here, I'll come out of the blue.
Let's come out of the blue.
Why is there a freaking... Why is he mad at me? Please don't be mad at me.
No, he's not.
Why is he mad at me?
I'm just gonna... Dave, come on.
Where are you?
Dave, come on.
Can't find you. Oh, there you are.
Come on, over here.
I'm next to you. In front of you.
Okay, just follow me. Let's go.
Okay.
But quit flying so I can see you.
Oh,
Because you're invisible when you fly.
okay, I stopped flying.
Oh,
I'm behind you.
you are? Well, I still can't see you. You're still in the blue.
Oh, it's glitching.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just tap on the signs.
Go on this one. See?
Yeah.
This one?
I went on it.
Oh, hey! Yay!
Oh, we're on opposite teams.
We are?
Yeah, you're on red and I'm on blue.
Oh.
I have a compass. So I know where spawn is. Where is everyone?
I don't know. They're supposed to be joining. Why did my render distance get so low?
Mine is too.
It's all the way up though. That's just weird.
My render distance is all the way up. What happens if I put it all the way down? It looks the same.
Your eyeballs look funny. I have a compass too. I'm supposed to get an iron sword. I have the assassin kit.
I'm supposed to get a shovel. A diamond shovel. And an iron helmet. That's what
Awesome.
kit I got. I don't even know what it's called. I think it's called like a farmer or something.
Yeah.
Farmer.
We can work together though.
And just look inside chests.
And if people on my team try to attack you, I'll kill them. People on your team. Wait, hold on. What's going on? No one's joining. Oh, one person. Oh, one person on each team. We can kill that guy easily. Right? He looks like an easy guy to kill.
It looks like a noob.
I know, right? He's using like the skin in the skin packs and look, he didn't even log in. Run to the chest!
Ooh, I got a pick.
Yeah, grab everything.
I have a pick.
Come on, let's kill him. Yeah, we gotta kill him. We gotta kill that man. We're like right behind him. Don't let him see you though. Don't let him see you. Come on. I still can't kill him.
No.
Kill him! Fight! Oh man, I can't see him.
Killed him.
Now me and you gotta fight.
No, dude, I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
I'm
Okay.
not ready.
Okay. Oh man, they still don't have the fire yet. Let's...
He dropped a diamond.
He did? Come on, we gotta fight each other.
Hold up.
Okay.
Hold up. I'm not ready.
You're not.
Let me just put my useful stuff in here.
Okay.
Why does it keep on giving me my useless stuff? Oh, I want that stick. I want my stick. Where'd the stick go?
Okay, just... Are you ready now?
Where's my stick?
That was...
No, I'm not ready. Where's my stick?
Your stick?
Yeah, I had a stick.
Wait, you're trying to make a diamond.
In this chest.
I'm gonna hit you in, like, 3, 2...
Please no. Please.
1!
I'm looking for a stick.
I said I was gonna hit you once.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, 8 sticks.
I didn't say I would hit you multiple times. Okay, hurry up and make your diamond sword. I wanna... Oh! I died! Oh.
Oh, VIP plus. That's it, I'm flying.
Come
Do you
on.
see me in the air?
No. Oh, yeah! There you are. I never knew VIP pluses could fly. Come on down.
There's a cool castle up here.
What?
Nice.
I wish I could be up there.
Me like.
Come down here. Come down here.
I can go to the end of the parkour. I can go inside here. Oh, I can just cheat up here.
How did you get VIP plus?
I don't know. I just put in my password 4254 and it worked.
What if someone bought it for you?
My dog is still here.
He's angry at you.
Shut up.
You talking to me or the dog?
The dog.
Okay, good.
Well.
Dave,
nice.
I'm gonna join one.
Oh, okay. I'll just be flying around exploring.
What? You're not gonna be with me?
I just want to explore. I've never flown in this place before.
You can explore later.
This is fun. What if it's only a one-time thing? Ooh, I can just fly to the VIP.
Okay.
Thank you. Ooh, I can get apples. Goodbye, fish. Ooh, magic drink. I want that.
Can you hurry up?
Man, give me nausea. Nausea.
Can you hurry up, please?
I hate nausea.
Can you hurry up? I really want to play a match.
Okay.
I'm at the signs.
Okay, my nausea's over. Be there in a sec.
Hurry up. We're running out of
I'm
time.
flying as fast as I can.
We're totally running out of time.
Alright, I see you.
Okay.
The corner.
The top corner?
Top corner.
Okay. Oh, this is a new map.
Yes?
Look at it.
Ooh.
You think it looks new, right?
That's what I think it is.
It's so cool. Quit moving around. Oh. Okay. 30 seconds. Me and you are against each other.
I want to do Sky Wars next.
Sky Wars?
Yeah, Sky Wars.
Yeah. Let's just finish this and then we can do Sky Wars next.
Yeah.
Like a part 2. Sky Wars 2. I have an iron sword. What is this chest? Just right here. Ooh, full set.
Full set of what?
Armor. They're all different, actually. Pretty sweet. Are you ready?
Nope.
Cool. Ooh, potatoes. I want to check out the map.
Me too.
Okay,
and then I guess
on.
we just fight at the death match.
Yeah. Yeah, let's fight at the... No. Let's just fight when we're done. No, this is a statue. That's it. I'm gonna attack you. I'm gonna hunt you down.
You would go for a VIP plus.
Yeah. Actually, yes. You know you can choose your own kit, right?
If I'm a VIP plus.
Yeah.
What kit should I get?
Anyone you want.
How?
You just tap on it.
How?
Oh, you don't know how? At the guys standing up with the signs under them, holding stuff and wearing stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I can do it. Can you? All right. Pause game.
Oh,
Just pause the video.
I can't. I don't have it on. Just go to the bathroom right now.
Okay.
Hurry up. We don't have a lot of time.
Are you making a video?
Yes. Where is he? Ooh, idea. I'm gonna get hit on his tablet and take him to the place. So right now, I took his tablet and I'm making him go to the center. Just so he wouldn't be hiding away from me. Oh, he had this special... Wait, this can only fit... Oh. Right on top of the book. There. Okay, now I'm back in. Big potatoes. There he is. I might kill him or might not. You're a penguin? You underestimate me? Heh. Yay! Red one! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna make Dave respawn. Okay, now I'm making him find me. And there, he found me. Yay! Now he has his puppy. Okay, I think I should end the video. He's taking a long time to go to the bathroom. So, yeah, the server IPs are in the description. And I'm also playing on Teams and Sky Wars. Goodbye. Oops.